Let's see how well you understand your brain. This is a quiz of 20 questions. Which organ uses the most energy in the body? Answer C, brain. Even though the brain accounts for only about 2% of our body weight, it consumes roughly 20% of our energy. Fascinating, isn't it? Can the brain itself feel pain? Answer B, no. The brain contains no pain receptors. Headaches come from surrounding tissues and blood vessels, not the brain itself. Quite interesting. How much energy does the brain use while sleeping? Answer B, about the same as when awake. During sleep, the brain remains active, processing information, consolidating memories, and organizing thoughts. Sleep really is productive. Is it true that the brain uses only 10% of its capacity? Answer B, no. This is a common misconception. The brain is active throughout, even during simple tasks. Every part has a role, all the time. What type of information does the brain process fastest? Answer B, images. Visual information is handled faster than anything else, which explains why diagrams and pictures stick in your mind more readily. What happens to the brain under prolonged stress? Answer C, formation of new neural connections is reduced. Chronic stress affects learning and memory, particularly in areas linked to memory. It's a subtle but important effect. How many tasks can the brain handle at once? Answer B, several, by quickly switching between them. The brain cannot truly multitask. It rapidly switches focus, which can make it seem like it is doing several things simultaneously. What most significantly reduces brain performance during the day? Answer B, lack of sleep. Even a single night of poor sleep noticeably lowers attention, decision-making, and reaction speed. Sleep matters. Does the brain change in adulthood? Answer C, yes, constantly. The brain remains plastic throughout life, reshaping itself based on learning, experiences, and environment. It never stops adapting. What does the brain perceive almost like physical pain? Answer B, social rejection. Social rejection activates some of the same brain areas as physical pain. That's why feeling left out can hurt so much. Fascinating, isn't it? How many hours of sleep does the average adult need? Answer B, 7 to 9 hours. Most adults need around 7 to 9 hours. Less sleep affects attention, memory, and mood, even if you feel fine. Is the brain inactive while sleeping? Answer B, no. Sleep is highly active for the brain. It processes information, consolidates memories, and clears metabolic waste. Which sleep stage is associated with vivid dreaming? Answer A, REM sleep. Rapid eye movement sleep is when most dreaming occurs, and it's crucial for learning and emotional regulation. Does sleep improve memory? Answer A, yes. Sleep helps the brain consolidate memories from the day. That's why a good night's sleep often improves recall. A short nap of 20 to 30 minutes can Answer B. Improve alertness. A brief nap boosts alertness and cognitive performance. Long naps can interfere with night sleep, though. Which function is most affected by sleep deprivation? Answer B. Attention and focus. Even one night of poor sleep lowers attention, reaction time, and decision-making ability. During sleep, the brain. Answer C. Clears out waste. Sleep allows the glymphatic system to remove toxins accumulated during the day. It's like a nightly cleaning service for the brain. Why do we dream? Because of. Answer C. Memory consolidation and problem solving. Dreaming helps the brain process experiences, emotions, and solve problems, even if it doesn't feel obvious. Poor sleep most strongly affects. Answer B. Mood and emotional regulation. Sleep and emotion are deeply linked. Lack of sleep increases irritability and reduces resilience to stress. Can you catch up on sleep loss during the week by sleeping extra on weekends? Answer B. Only partially. Sleeping longer on weekends can help partially recover, but it doesn't fully reverse the effects of chronic sleep deprivation. Balance is key. How many did you get right out of 20? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, we'll continue exploring more about your brain and body. Thanks for watching.